At Cannasen, we'd like to give you an overview of treatment with cannabis and let you come to your own conclusions of whether it's for you. This video addresses the general use and acceptance of cannabis in palliative care. Cannabis is a sativa plant that was originally identified in Southeast Asia, and it does have known psychotomimetic properties, but it also has identified itself as having medicinal properties too. The nature of cannabis is unique as it works together with our body's psychological systems. While pharmaceutical drugs work at the level of the symptoms, CBD works at the level of the source of the disease. The cannabis plant was used as early as 2900 BC in China as medicine, and in America and Europe in the whole 19th and 20th century. Unfortunately, in the early 20th, cannabis was prohibited. Today, CBD derived from the cannabis plant has been legalized in 34 countries, with more coming up. Because cannabis is sometimes confused with marijuana, there is still some stigma towards CBD. But if you remove THC from the CBD coming from the cannabis plant, CBD is now legal to use within treatment and healthcare products, in some countries even as nutritional supplement. While many other botanic ingredients have found their way into medical treatment, the benefits to medical cannabis have been left out. But there is hope ahead. The medical community is now beginning to recognize that cannabis may play an important role in caretaking, especially for whom conventional therapies aren't working very well. Many of the drugs prescribed today are drugs like opioids or benzodiazepines, which have severe side effects and even dangerous if overused. But also they can be ineffective if they're not used in a way that's consistent with what patients need, or if a patient is misdiagnosed. Patients are increasingly turning to treatment with medical cannabis as it is safer and it has no known side effects. It also finds usage along with other treatments either to enhance their efficacy or to combat adverse side effects. To discourage the stigma against cannabis within treatment, more education and scientific research about the efficacy of cannabis is needed. Also, it will be crucial that pharma companies guarantee and secure the safety and efficacy of cannabis products in all aspects, from field to shelf. At Cannasen, we are trying to support a growth in knowledge and awareness about the use of cannabis in different diseases, disorders, and dysfunctions by sharing our review of the therapeutic potential. Our review includes prescription advice based on available independent clinical trials and scientific literature where the scientific value is evaluated and made accessible in general terms. The disease information pages and videos are consistently evolving and are updated to advance scientific insight. We hope that we're able to provide the necessary knowledge for you to discover the unique medicinal properties of cannabis. We have no doubts that cannabis has the potential to become the big healthcare success story of our lifetime, but only if the public allows it.